And welcome again to another live trading session with us at marketpotentials.com. I hope you guys are keeping well during this global pandemic season, staying healthy, keeping away from crowds, and staying home basically. Now, if you're curious as to a way that you can make a significant portion of income during this time when you are actually stuck at home, well, worry not. I'm actually about to show you a way that this could happen in no time at all. And the way that we do it is with binary option trading. The screen that you are looking at is a live screenshot of the binary option platform that I use. It's called IQ Option. The sign up link is just below the video, so just go ahead and click that and sign up for a free account if you'd like to. And on another note, it would mean the world to us if you could just go ahead and click the subscribe button so we can share videos just like this to more people out there. Now, this afternoon, I'm going to be trading the euro versus the US dollar. It's a forex pair traded in the binary option setting. Again, as I have mentioned in a couple of previous videos as well, the main thing you're going to be doing in binary option trading is getting your selection right, and that selection is primarily whether the chart is going to end up being lower or higher, okay, as you can see. So you kind of have to make a decision on this by the time you come to this white line, and I typically just select this 2 minutes window. The white line is the purchase date line, which should pop up. Yep, there you go, the purchase date line, and it should last until you come to the red line. So basically make a choice whether this chart is going to end up being higher or lower by the white line, and the result should be achieved by the red line, which is the expiry line. Okay, so that's really all you're doing. Okay, now how do you make the right choice? Well, it's pretty straightforward. I do it primarily based on technical analysis. Okay, so what that means is I basically look at the chart and make a decision accordingly. It's not as, it's not like rocket science or whatever it's made out to be. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and take a chart here. So I've invested 2,000. That's two trades here, as you can see, each for $1,000, and I expect it to be higher, which is why I selected higher by the white line. And if it pans out by the time it hits the red line, then we are basically in the money. So how did I choose that? Well, if you have a look here, all right, this technical indicator is the momentum, and the MACD indicated significant weakness, and you also saw that the chart itself swung down. What that means is that basically, as you saw, we just made $1,740 odd, which is pretty great. As I was saying, once a weakness happens, especially if it happens close to the white line, chances are it means that an upswing is very well in the process, and it could happen in the next 30 seconds. So all I did is I maximized the knowledge of that, and I took advantage. And as you saw, it made over $1,700 odd, which is pretty darn amazing. Then you think 87% ROI on an investment is incredible. I mean, no one else out there is going to be able to pay you that kind of money that we're talking about. This is serious money, guys, and this could literally change your life. All right. So again, as I've just shown you in this quick video, I've made $1,700 odd today in 30 seconds. And I really have not got to worry about anything, expenses, rent, bill, etc. Although I'm stuck at home, I'm still able to make this kind of money, which is pretty amazing. And I just wanted to get that word out there to share more with you guys, so you guys can do more as well. All right. So again, the sign up link for the trading account is right down there below. It's free. Go ahead, sign up for it. And just hit on the subscribe button so I can continue coming out with videos just like this to teach you guys how you can actually make a serious amount of cash with binary option trading from home. All right, in the meantime, take care now. I'll talk to you all soon. Cheers.